Okay, welcome my friends to the adventure. Everything starts here in Penonome. Here is the place where we are going to depart to Cocle. We are going to cross the central mountains from the Pacific to the Atlantic. So basically here start everything. I hope you like this adventure.
You got me so wild. How can I ever deny?
Now we have the statue of Victoriano Lorenzo. He used to be a general, but also he was considered the first guerrilla man of Latin America.
And you never wanna leave my side. As long as I don't break these.
Penonome is located in the middle of the Republic of Panama. Exactly in this point is the middle of the country.